So we are going to try something. Now, that's vitamin D milk and some food coloring. When I do it, get up over the top. Okay, now I'm going to take some, look over here, right here, some dish soap, but I've made it with 3 of these bad boys, or 4, plus another 4, and then what we do is drop them in. Is that cool?
Yeah, can we do it again, Dada?
Is that pretty neat?
Yeah, can we do it again in that bowl?
Whoa, it's really going up now. I wonder what would happen.
So pretty. Pretty, 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 pretty.
Voila! Oh, it looks like a face right there.
It does.
Like a sheep.
Looks like an embryo.
It looks like, oh, it's still going. Pretty crazy.